Hello guys, welcome to this video. It's a pleasure having you here today. Before we proceed, kindly ensure you refer to the description menu below this video for a better understanding of this tutorial. If you must understand and comprehend this tutorial, then reading the description is highly mandatory. All you have to do right now is pause this video right away and take out a few seconds to read through the video description before you continue watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss out on any updates. Best wishes. Now let's get started.
Welcome back. So in this section we are going to be installing and activating our WordPress theme. And for the purposes of this tutorial, we are going to be making use of the consulting theme by stylemixthemes.com. So I want us to take a look at how the theme demo is like, so that we can look at the page preview. This is a theme that you can use to design corporate websites, small businesses, websites for small businesses, consulting websites, and it's actually very simple and easy to use. As you can see, these are the different features. These are the demos. You can use any of the demos that you want. Let's just click on them so that you can take a look at how they look like, so you can see for yourself. You can see how clean the design is, and it obeys the laws of how a website should look like when you view it initially. You can see the logo is there, plain. You can see the contact information. It gives you everything you need to know about the kind of business they do, where they can be located, and how they can be contacted at one glance. So that's pretty much it, and it's very responsive too. You can see this is the second design, very clean. So we're going to be using this theme to set up a corporate website of our own, and let's head straight into it. All you need to do is go to Appearance, click on Themes, and it's going to bring you to this page. By now, since we have already installed our theme via the file manager, all we need to do is just activate it. So I'm just going to click on Activate here, and then you wait for it to load up. Whenever a theme becomes activated, it brings with it a lot of plugins, and these plugins are quite necessary for the theme to work properly as it should. So the first thing we need to do is that before we start installing any of these plugins, we need to make sure that we install a plugin of our own, which is called the Acrorax Maintenance Mode plugin. Now what it does for us is that it puts up a coming soon page on our website, so that anybody that is visiting the website using this URL will not be able to see the progress of our work. We will work behind the scenes. Nobody will see the progress that we are making on the website once we install this plugin. It helps to bring forth a coming soon cover over the website. So just go to Plugins, click on Add New, and then wait for it to load up, and then type Acrorax here, Acrorax, as you can see, and then select it here. You can see under construction maintenance mode from Acrorax. So just click install now. So like I said earlier, what this plugin does for us is that it puts upon the website and under construction page that says coming soon, we are under construction, just we'll be back by this time, and so on and so forth. So just click activate, and then we are going to set up the plugin so that it displays what we want it to display. So just wait for it to load up. Okay, so this is the plugin, and this is it here. So we'll just click on it to do the settings. Anytime you activate a new plugin, it's either going to be on under the settings tab, or it will insert itself in your taskbar by the left hand side. So it depends on the kind of plugin that it is. Okay, so this is our Acrorax coming soon. You can see the first thing we need to do is click on activate, then scroll down, you pick a date that you'll be comfortable using. Just gonna pick that, and then click appearance. and then you have to select a template design from any of the ones here. I'm just going to pick this one. I like this. And then you pick your logo. You can see this is now our logo, so we'll just put in a logo text, or better still, we can upload our own logo. So I'm just going to pick a logo and upload the before you buy logo. Before you buy logo, just wait for it to come up. Go to my documents, which I'm very sure it's there, and select the before you buy logo. Okay, I think I have it here. Yes, here it is. Here it is. So let's make use of that and set it in. Okay, so there it is, and all you need to do is go back and click save. Yeah, save settings. By the time it's done loading up, you can see settings saved. It means that anybody that tries visiting beforeyoubuy.com.ng now will see nothing but a coming soon page. They will be able to see the work we are doing behind the scenes. So let's go back to start installing the plugins that come with our theme, and I'll just click on plugins. You can see there's a pop-up here for that already, so just click on begin installing plugins, and then you can see all 14 to install 14, meaning that we are required to install all these plugins. If you don't install all these plugins, your theme is not going to work exactly like the demo. All these plugins are required for the theme to work exactly like the demo. So all you need to do is just start selecting them. I would advise you install them one after the other. The three heaviest plugins here are the Visual Composer, which we've spoken about before, the Revolution Slider, and then lastly the WooCommerce plugin. They're actually quite heavy, so you should always make sure you install them by themselves. But I'm just going to select a few here and install them together just quickly, because to save time and all. So as you can see, the plugins have been installed and activated, so I just have to continue doing what I'm doing. I'm going to install this on its own because it's quite a heavy plugin. And then wait for it to load up. You can see it's quite heavy, that's why it's taking this much time. Ordinarily we should be done by now because we're installing a plugin, so just have to wait for it. Okay, so we have our results. It's been installed and activated. We'll continue with the other ones. You can see this is the pop-up of it, and then let's just continue what we're doing. Keep on installing until you've installed all the plugins and you've activated all of them. So I'm going to select these about 4 and install them also, and then we'll go back and continue. I'm going to leave the Revolution Slider and WooCommerce for last, and click install and apply. Okay, so lastly we'll work with the Revolution Slider. We just install and then see how long it takes. Shouldn't take too long, but it's a help. So as you can see, we've installed it successfully. So all we need to do is go back and click on plugins once more. There's one more plugin left, which is the WooCommerce plugin. Just click install and then wait for it to load up. Okay, so everything is installed. I think there's one more that's left to be activated. Okay, so we'll have to make sure that you can see it here, the Revolution Slider. So we've set up and installed all our plugins and all of them have been activated. So this is going to be the end of this section, and in the next section we're going to go more in depth into our corporate website. So I hope you understood everything that I just did here, and I want to say thank you for watching. See you in the next section.
Thank you for watching this video tutorial. Kindly like, share and subscribe to our channel for more exclusive tutorials.